you see how this is coming up? Bring this leg forward. No. Put this back. Leave it up. Leave it up. Put your hand here. Pop that forward. Yeah. Right there. Pop that forward a little bit more. Good. Now. Here. Put your hand there. Keep your heel down. So you're supposed to be driving hard to your heel. Better. This side, this state. Pop it forward, pop it forward. Six.